What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Ultra Crypto back at it again. Today is Saturday, the 17th of April, 2021. The big euphoric run up of Dogecoin seemed to have ended. I hope you have taken your profits, or if you're just holding a big bag, you just want to hold on to it to the dollar. Well, good luck to you, and congratulations to all the people that eventually took some profits on the way up. Well, it seemed to have cooled down a bit. We're back down to 27 cents for Dogecoin. Insane. I never thought I would have even seen 5 cents with Dogecoin from back in 2017. All right, so again, congratulations to all the Dogecoin bag holders out there. Just be careful with these pump and dumps. For all we know, Elon Musk is the one that's actually pumping the price of Dogecoin by buying it up on these exchanges, skyrocketing the prices. So again, just be careful. Bitcoin is sitting at 60,400 right now, down 2% on the day. Ethereum is down 2.5% on the day at 2,300. Binance coin still killing it for the week, up 14% for the week, but trading sideways for the past 24 hours. XRP 6% down, but still killing it for the week, man. Like everything for the past 7 days has been killing it. All right, so congratulations again to everyone that's been holding bags, you know, in particular projects. But I just wanted to give a little PSA for Dogecoin. All right, when it comes to Dogecoin, you got to understand that how long I've been recording. I've already been recording this video for 1 minute and 50 seconds. Every single minute, 10,000 new Dogecoin gets created. 10,000 new Dogecoin gets mined or created. So it is not something you want to hold on to long term. If you're trying to again do some kind of trade where you get a bag and then say you get it at 20 cents and you're just going to hold it until it goes up 5x to $1, then that's a good trade. All right, another thing with trading Dogecoin is a lot of people are trading Dogecoin on Robinhood. So what does that mean? That means that you're going to have to pay the tax man come tax time next year. All right? I'm not saying that if you trade on something like Binance or Qcoin or some other exchange that's overseas that you don't have to pay your taxes. I'm not saying that you're not supposed to pay your taxes, right? Because again, this is not financial advice, of course, but it's a little bit easier for them to get at you, so to speak, if you are trading on Robinhood. And then also on Robinhood, it's not your coins. You're just trading the price of the coins on Robinhood. Same thing with PayPal. Not your coins, not your keys, not your coins. Those trades that you're doing on those platforms, you're not even trading the underlying asset. You're just trading the price swings of the asset. Okay? So again, keep that in mind. Let's get into it. Coming from Cointelegraph. All right, so it's been 3 minutes and a half that I've been recording. 3 minutes and 40 seconds right now. And 30,000 Dogecoins have already been created. I think I'm going to put that number up on the screen for every minute that I record. But here it is, Cointelegraph. Again, love the artwork on Cointelegraph. And after a remarkable run, social media sentiment sours on Doge because it took a big drop. Okay, I knew we were at the top when Thursday night my girl came and asked me about Dogecoin. She was like, babe, what's this? And I'm like, what's what? And she showed me some chart and I was like, oh shit, Dogecoin is 28 cents? That's insane, right? Like, I didn't even realize that it was pumping. So I was like, yeah, this is the top. And I, advised her not to get into it because I knew it was a top. If she's asking me about it, it's a top. Okay, so yes, it did go up to 45 cents, but would she have known to sell it? Right? Like, I don't think so. Okay, so Dogecoin pumped. It's performed well over the past, just for this year, actually, 5,000% gains on the year. And I saw a tweet somewhere where it said if you had taken that stimulus check from last April and put it all in Doge, you'd have over like $180,000. But who would have known, right? So Doge, like I said, I've been in Doge since it was under a penny, since 2017, ride it up to a penny, and thinking that, you know, I was making money. Okay, I've been holding that Dogecoin since back in 2017 when it went up to a penny, thinking, yeah, it's going to go to 2 cents and it's going to go to 5 cents. Didn't happen. It came around this time though, but you know, thinking that it was going to go to $1 back in 2017. But yeah, it's crazy to see that Elon Musk is pumping Doge. We have Slim Jim pumping Doge. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Just be careful with those capital gains taxes, man, because once you sell out, right? Because the thing with Bitcoin, when you know, people in Doge are like, oh, well, you can't get a whole Bitcoin, but you get all these Doge. The thing is with Bitcoiners, right? We're not selling our Bitcoin. Doge is something you're buying just to get in and out of. Like, you're buying it to get more Bitcoin like I did, right? When it went up to that last run back in February, and it went up to like not half a penny, but when it went up to almost 8 cents, I jumped out and got half a Bitcoin. But I've been holding that Doge since 2017, right? So I've been holding that bag since 2017, and it just so happened that I found them on one of my old wallets, and I was like, oh shit, got some Doge. When it ran up, put my sell order in and sold them all, right? For half a Bitcoin and 0.1 ETH. You're not holding on to Doge as a medium, as a store of value, because now I've been recording now for almost 7 minutes, and that's 60,000 Doge that's been created in the past 6 minutes. Okay, so again, Dogecoin is not something you're going to hold on to. You're just buying it to get in and out of a trade to make some quick dough, either to get more dirty fiat, or you're going to get Bitcoin or some other crypto like ETH with it. Okay, so that's what I did, and that's why I know most crypto traders, real traders that's in this crypto space, they use Doge as something to get in and out of when they suspect that it's going to pump, all right, and they get some Doge, hold on to it real quick, and then flip it right back into Bitcoin, flip it right back into ETH. Okay, so just be careful out there. This is not a store of value. It's a meme coin. It's really funny to watch it and watch people get. Somebody bought the top, man. You know, some sucker bought the top, and you know, it's all funny to me because I've been there. I've been there myself. Next, I've wasted way too many time on Doge. Coming from Cointelegraph again, April could see Bitcoin price above 90K. All right, Bitcoin to close April above 90K, and when and where this bull wave will top. I don't know why that was so hard for me to read, but basically, according to stock to flow, all right, we're seeing that Bitcoin is right on track to end April above 90K. We shall see, all right? And this is coming from Eric Crown, all right, from Crown's Crypto Cave or something like that. He's a big trader, okay, and he talks about that 90K point being like the mark. So here it is. This is the stock to flow RSI from Plan B, and this is the chart right here. And he's saying that a 90K Bitcoin isn't even like high on the RSI. You know, when the RSI is the relative strength index, and 95 is the, you know, here it is. I calculated Bitcoin price needed for RSI 95 at April close 92K. Let's see what the Coinbase IPO will do today. And this was on a Wednesday because of the Coinbase IPO. And that's what really happened. A lot of these coins pump because of all the hype from that Coinbase IPO. Excuse me. Wow, excuse me. And now Coinbase is the 9th largest bank in the world. Oh my God, this is so funny. All these banks talk so much crap about Bitcoin and didn't even want to deal with Coinbase, and now look at Coinbase, the 9th largest bank in the world, right? But is Bitcoin going to close above 90K in April? We shall see. According to the stock to flow model, we are right on track, and the RSI isn't overbought, right? So right now, still smooth going. We're only halfway through April. Can we jump another 30K by the end of April? I hope so. You know, I really hope so. But let's see what happens. And last but not least, Binance CEO, all right, Mr. CZ, Mr. World Traveler, says, I would bring traditional financial regulations to crypto. Binance CEO got the tap on the shoulder. Okay, CZ has been traveling the world. Binance really has no official offices, right? And he's been playing in the gray area, so to speak, since its existence. All right, so let's dig into this article a little bit and really see what's going on with CZ, because he was against just last year, or a couple of years ago, against regulations, saying that it was too stifling, and now he's like, oh yeah, I'm all for it. All right, he's playing the game, man, playing the game. He's got a tap on the shoulder. All right, so the CEO, founder of crypto exchange Binance, Changpeng Zhao, CZ, said that regulation is not necessarily a bad thing for the crypto industry. If I was a regulator, the most logical thing I would do is to look at the existing regulations in the traditional financial space and bring them into crypto. That's what they've been trying to do. But it doesn't work. Because, for one thing, with the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies, you really can't say that it's a security. That's one. Two, things change too fast. By the time regulators try to come up with a law, right, on certain things, like with ICOs, they flipped it, and then CZ led the charge in that. When they started to crack down on ICOs back in late 2017, in 2018, CZ flipped the script and then changed it to IEOs, all right, initial exchange offerings, and then now they have something called IDOs, initial DEX offering. It's always changing. Whenever the regulators catch up to one idea or to one set of not rules, but to one set of ideas, one set of things that's happening in the crypto space, then programmers, coders, developers flip it and like, all right, well, they caught up to us. All right, it's like playing whack-a-mole. You go to the amusement park, you're playing whack-a-mole. You really can't catch them. These regulators can't try to regulate crypto the same way they regulate the traditional financial space. And CZ knows that. So I definitely think it's because he got the tap on the shoulder. All right, the Binance CEO also added that he was not, unlike many others in the crypto or in the industry, a libertarian or an anarchist. There are many extreme libertarians that believe we have functioned well without any rules, without any government intervention, he said, adding, I don't think as a society we are quite ready for that. At least in my view, I don't know how we'll keep ourselves safe. In that sense, yes, we I kind of agree with him. We don't need to have this be like the total Wild West and have scams like BitConnect, OneCoin, and all these other scams out there trying to harm people and steal from people. But that's what happens, though, in a free market society. You're going to have scams. And who better to police the industry than people that are in the industry? We call those scams out. We tell people to be aware of those scams. Like all the time, be aware of those scammers in the comment section. Sometimes it's nothing but scammers in my comment section. I go in there and I delete all of them, but they just come right back. All right? So we have to be the ones to police these scammers, police our own space. All right? Be our brother's keepers, so to speak. It's a free market society. Scammers will scam. All right? Birds will fly. Ducks will quack. So there you have it. All right, Binance relationship with regulators. Binance has a complicated relationship with the regulators, has thrived so far by skillfully navigating cryptocurrency regulations. All right, Binance left China in 2017 ahead of government's crackdown on crypto exchanges, went to Japan, then to Taiwan, then in 2018 courted the Maltese president to make the most of the country's lax crypto regulations, but the spark faded and Binance had to go elsewhere. Now the company, officially registered in the Cayman Islands, operates from who knows. Binance, him coming out and talking about we need regulations and stuff. Dude, you've been operating in a gray area since Binance existed. So don't come out now talking about we need regulations. It's because, again, he got the tap on the shoulder. Somebody came up to him and was like, hey, we need our cut. You need to stop this. All right? We're going to shut you down. Although he's a multi-billionaire, all right? The governments, they are the ones with the guns. They are the ones with the military. They are the ones with the police. So technically he's not safe. Okay. In July last year, Malaysia Securities Commission alleged that Binance operates in the country illegally. Yeah, everybody's going to say that. The same thing that they said about Binance operating here in the U.S., that it operates illegally, and that's why they developed Binance.us, okay? So here it is. During today's Clubhouse session, Decrypt asked CZ to provide an update on the U.S. Commodities Trading Futures Commission's, all right, the CFTC investigation into Binance for allowing American traders to place trades that violate existing U.S. regulations. CZ declined to comment. He's just going to have to pay a fine. Binance is going to have to pay a fine. And that's what happened with, what's this called? Coinbase. Before they went public, because they were supposed to go public in March, not in April. Okay, before they went public, they had to pay the CFTC. They paid them a $6.5 million fine. It's just the cost of doing business. Now, will Binance get that slight of a tap or slap on the wrist? I don't think so. I think they might have to pay multi-million dollars fine, something maybe in the $15-20 million range, but they could afford it. They make billions of dollars every year. All right, it's just the cost of doing business. And again, CZ got that tap on the shoulder. Let's discuss it in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about CZ coming out talking about we need regulations. Are we going to hit 90K according to stock to flow, Plan B stock to flow right now in April? And that Dogecoin pump, I hope you didn't buy the top. Remember, Dogecoin is something to just trade in and out of. You're better off buying a miner and just mining it yourself instead of trading it. All right, and just slowly stack your Doge over multiple years and then just dump it on the market when it pumps really hard. That's a good plan, I think. Not financial advice. I'm out. Peace.